Now that you have a basic understanding of what a child theme is, let's circle back and talk about a principle that you should keep in mind when you're developing with child themes. This is the laziness principle. When you're working with WordPress themes, there's a delicate balance between achieving the exact design you want and maintaining the ability to easily update the parent theme. Child themes offer the perfect solution, allowing you to customize your site's appearance without risking your modifications being overwritten during a parent theme update. This approach embodies the laziness principle, which means you're avoiding unnecessary work by reusing existing resources and only modifying what's absolutely necessary. You want to keep in mind that you should use what you have. The core idea behind a child theme is inheritance. The child theme inherits all the functionality and styling of its parent theme. This means you start with a fully functional website design as a base. Your child theme then acts as a layer on top, allowing you to selectively modify or add to the parent's styling. The laziness principle encourages us to leverage this inheritance fully. Before you create any CSS, ask yourself, does the parent theme already provide the styling I need, or close to it? Often, you'll find that the parent theme's CSS already covers most of your needs. You might just need to tweak a color, font size, or spacing. Don't reinvent the wheel. Ask yourself if you can achieve the desired effect by modifying the existing HTML structure through hooks or filters, if necessary, rather than rewriting CSS. Sometimes a small structural change can have a big impact on styling, minimizing the amount of CSS that you ultimately need to write. One of the main advantages of the child theme is the ability to leverage the existing styles and functionalities of the parent theme. Instead of rewriting styles from scratch, you can selectively modify only what is necessary. This approach follows the laziness principle, which encourages developers to work efficiently by using what is already available before adding unnecessary customizations. The laziness principle ensures that you reduce redundancy by only modifying styles that need changes. You preserve compatibility with future updates of the parent theme. And finally, you save time and effort by utilizing pre-existing styles and layouts.